At home.html, we're going to delete quite a bit of here, and you may cringe a bit. Oh, I just made this, but we have a backup, right? Because we just created the brand page, cool.html. So look for this main tag and delete everything above it. Look for the bottom main and delete everything, including the main, below it. So we just have the main structural code of the home page. Why are we able to do this? Because we have the main tag here, the main tag here in the block. So to link it to the brand page, or cool brand page, use the keyword extends, and then if you look at our templates here, we have it in a subdirectory brand, the cool brand. Right at the end and the block. We actually need to retain the style from the A-frame. So let's copy this style into the main brand template. So first copy the A-frame script tag into the main brand, cool.html. Let's drop this one into the head. So you have the A-frame script tag in the main brand template, and this style let's just drop into the existing brand style. This controls the height of the image. Okay, I think we can delete it now. Then add the blocks back in. Okay, it's looking better. It has a nav bar at the top. We still need to fix it. It's got this thing here. So all the way to the left edge. So I'm going to put in a container. Better. Maybe a bit more space. Padding top. A little bit better. Maybe space here. Spacing looks the same, so error here. PT padding top -3. It goes from 1 to 5. Reload. A little bit of spacing. Horizontal roll. Pretty light, but looks okay. Let's fix the header and footer.